In this video, I am going to show you how to add commenting to your Wix Studio website. Since this feature isn't offered directly in Wix, we're going to use an external widget, but don't worry, it is completely free of charge and doesn't require you to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put a link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the social section, and down below you will find comments. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press an F11, and on the corner of the frame, you can also click on the expand arrows. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to where you're looking for now, and for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left hand side, we have about 3 options. On the notifications, this is where you can add your email notifications, and for every new comment, you can add a notification that will send within the owner email. What you have to do is add your owner email in here, and for the new comment notifications, you can either enable or disable this one. On the theme section, this is where you can change your color scheme from light to dark, as well as change the accent color depending on the scheme that you want. And if you click on the font, you'll have a selection of fonts to choose from. On the settings section, this is where you can change your reaction type from emojis to a like and dislike. What you can also do is that on every comment sorting, you can click on the drop down and you can add the newest first or add the top comments. Below, you can also add a label for the admin, and you can change this into owner, or if you highlight and delete, you can change this to however you want it to be. Below the language, you can also change that as well as edit the text. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elfsight if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio Website Designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio Website Designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to hover onto Embed in Social. Simply click on that one. And on Embed Code, on the right-hand side, click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate, so anything that is in here, be sure to delete that. Once you're done, simply press and Ctrl-V to paste the code. And once you're done, at the bottom, click on Update so we can view the changes. Once you do, you should be able to see your widget, and on the corners of the frame, simply click on the circles, hold, and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. Now, the point here is to expand it in a way into how you want it to be. One thing that I want to add is how you can change the font of the widget without going back to Elfsight. I have here a personalized code that I've shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to customize text, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you just want to click on the widget, and then click on Edit Code here above. And on the left-hand side, we just want to paste the code, so press on Ctrl V. Once you've done that, under Font Family, you can change the fonts into however you want it to be, and once you're done, simply click on Update so we can view the changes. As you can see, we have changed the font of the widget without going back to Outside. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to your top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. As you can see, we now have commenting on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.